Look at my big girl on her elbows. She's on her elbows. She's on her elbows. Oh, look at Jazz wants some attention. The dog wants some attention. Look at my big girl on her elbows. Jazz, stop scratching the thing. Look at my big dog on his back. Okay, you did a rollover. Good, Jazz. Good, you did a rollover. Jazz want attention. Look at my big girl on her elbows. Look at my big girl on her elbows. Okay. Okay, I see you, Jazz. You rolling over. Yeah. Yeah, you can do a trick too. Look at her on her elbows. She'll be 4 months in about a week. She's 3 months right now.